Well, maps, many of them fear that the cemetery, already has been desecrated by the violent tidal waves. They tell me that the cemetery used to be very far away from the ocean, but the ocean has been coming, very close to the cemetery now, and they do not have any choice than to relocate some of the body parts. So a man who I spoke to told me about how they are relocating the skulls and other body parts to a different, they are relocating those body parts. That is what we see here. But if you walk along the coastline of Selakope here in the Ketu South municipality, what you see is the devastation caused by the violent tidal waves. And already some of the residents have started relocating. Now, this building you see here, the roofing sheets of this building has been removed. The owner, sensing the imminent danger, I'm told, has relocated from this place. Now, along this coastline also, what you're likely to see are uprooted trees. And I'm told that these trees were uprooted by the violent sea waves. In fact, so it's not just buildings that are collapsing, trees are also collapsing. Now, just a distance away from where I'm standing, a house here along the coastline, I'm told that previously many buildings, used to be here, but now that has changed. A woman who lives very close to this place tells me that now her building has been exposed to the ocean as a result of collapse of many buildings that were, previously dotted along the coastline of Selakope. As you can see, this is one of the buildings. This collapsed some days ago, I'm told, by the residents, and already the one who occupies the structure started removing the roofing sheets. Let's get here to this house and speak to some of the people who live here, who were also affected by yesterday's tidal flooding here in Selakope. As you can see, this structure completely destroyed. Nobody occupies it any longer. The roofing sheets gone. These books, got wet. A lot of personal effects got destroyed in the process. Many of them are relying on the sun for it to dry it for them. We'll take you closer to the room. Let's have a look at what is here. I'm told that this big pot which they put their water in, I'm told at the point was covered by the tidal flooding. It receded only today, and the residents. Now, also in this room, it's only a bed we can see here. Many of the personal effects that were in this room have been taken out, and the residents are praying and hoping that the sun would dry it for them. Already, some parts of the building has suffered some kind of wear and tear as a result of the violent tidal waves here in this community. Let me speak to some of the people here and find out from them how they are coping with life. Another house here, Davi Madobanao. Yeah, let me speak to this woman. Davi, ale ke okojo achoma. Baroka tincha va ale ko okojo achoma.
Acho for zangara kama mwene. Mi mlonyi. Afia ba chafo va mi manya ba chafo gbono. Ta mia ba ngoro ko va fara mia te ko mia kpoko zuba chafo e ma va komi joina. Afi mi va jivo fond. Aka gan ga tomo kata fie kata yo mi mete mi ato da fam.
Wow.
Around 1 a.m. yesterday, they were in their room sleeping, and then the next thing they realized was that the room was flooded. They got up.
Was that the room was flooded. They got up sometime around about Ghana. Okay, so she said they woke up around 4 a.m., 6 a.m., and they had to relocate.
By the tidal flooding. Okay. Okay. Well, she says there used to be many houses. assets have actually been destroyed by the violent tidal waves, and this is the only stuff that is left for her family now. So I think that the person is the dumb people. And I think that's why I'm going to government.
The view must go days and go for the view can come almost same only. He also by the human. I'm over from a cat. I'm almost on the room over here. About
yeah, I've got the name. The government am up a quarter yanchu. Amy, but me, Jimmy, I love fear, mammy, or money gun at Tommy, Minella Fiona. Tana Jagabano, or none, or quarter me on yanchi.
Okay. October attention from Clemmy. I know, yeah. Well, so she's telling me that some of the